standing here, not knowing how to get through this dance, but holding on to faith with no best, 'cause nothing can catch you by surprise. You got this figured out, and you're watching us now, yeah. And if it looks as if we can win,
Good day, everyone. My name is Stefano.
'cause everything you need, you say.
We did this one Pupils. Welcome you all to our 2026 Science Day. Topic: growing bean seed. Using cotton wool. Growing seed in cotton wool is a simple and effective experiment to observe plant germination without soil. By placing the seeds, like beans or dark cotton, inside a jar, you can watch roots and shoots develop over 2 to 7 days. As the cotton provides consistent moisture while staying on by. How to set up the experiment? 1. Prepare the container. Use a clear plastic cup. Place few cotton wool at the bottom to create soft, damp beds. Most the cotton do not soak them so much.
There is nothing that's impossible. And we're standing here. We're standing here. Yes, you crossed the wall.
Maintain environment. Place a container in a warm, sunny area like window sill. Number 5. Monitor. Check daily to ensure the cotton remains dark and water as needed. Observation and research. The seeds should be. The seeds will begin to sprout, showing a small white shoot radicle. Networks of roots will form. Study stem will meant to grow upwards. Day 7 plus, the first leaf will emerge. Phototropism. The stem movement towards the light. The root always goes downwards, demonstrating geotropism. Key scientific takeaways: germination factors. This experiment will demonstrate that seeds requires moisture and warmth, not soil, to sprout. Once the seedlings have strong roots, they can be carefully removed or transplanted into the soil.